Hi, Jim Peak here. Do you ever feel like there's just too many decisions to make? Or do you feel like I don't even know where to begin? I don't know what to do to get started in my business. You're not alone. And I have a tip for you today that is going to greatly streamline this process for you. You're going to get to be able to make decisions so quickly and totally say goodbye to decision fatigue using AI tools. I was sharing this in my lesson in AI Mastery Formula, my pilot course on this, and I decided I just wanted to share the results with you as well so you can overcome this decision fatigue. So here we are right now in ChatGPT, and I've just put a prompt in about a decision that I have to make. I'm working to decide, should I invest in LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Have you ever had to try to evaluate whether you should pay a monthly fee for some tool? Who hasn't? So I'm using ChatGPT, and what I want to share with you is just a trick that I do every once in a while to see which would help me get the best results. So I've entered this prompt into ChatGPT, and then I just selected it and copied it. And before we go on to the next tool, you can just see that ChatGPT is right away doing what it does from time to time, asking for feedback about a certain response. I'm going to take that prompt into Perplexity, another awesome tool that provides more research heavy kind of results. So you have lots of sources that you could refer to later. But I've entered the same prompt and hit enter. And then I went to Gemini and did the same thing. This simple trick of just trying out a few different tools to see which ones give you the answers that help you and feel most intuitive and inspire you the most. So if I go back to ChatGPT, when I look through these, I like how it has a subheader here of is it worth the investment that helps me organize this information, and it has two videos. So just to make things simple, I'm going to very quickly say I prefer this response. It talks about how many people really do find LinkedIn's Sales Navigator very powerful and helpful. And it talks about how to use it effectively because it says the main thing is it is well worth it when you know how to use it. And that makes a lot of sense. Who hasn't spent money on a tool and then never put it to use? So we want to make sure that we're actually getting the most out of it. So it has some videos that will help. And then Perplexity says something similar. It has the key features and benefits. It talks about the pricing, and it says that premium is $30 a month. And if you want to get the extra Sales Navigator, they have here $65 a month. When I went to LinkedIn, it was $89 a month. So we have some information that helps and some videos that will help us go further. If I actually want to watch this video about LinkedIn Sales Navigator, I could click on this link and it'll take me to
Hey,
actually do that
Skinners, in
research.
case you don't know.
So now I go to Gemini, and Gemini says, I'm unable to access the LinkedIn premium page. And it just goes and looks for YouTube videos. So it has a little bit of a fail here. I'm not saying that it wouldn't work a lot more times for other searches. So I would still do this from time to time. But as you do this, you'll get to know what tool works best for you. And you'll get to get lots of information that can help you make that decision. I've gone through this and I've decided, yes, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is worth it. And I'm just committed to having me and my team understand exactly how to make the most out of it as I make this investment. I'm able to move forward because I have this sense of confidence and certainty from making that decision with my AI brainstorming buddy. All right, this is Jim Peak. Have a wonderful day, and I hope that you are able to make decisions like that. See you next time.